What's up, guys? This is Tyler from Bullseye Investing here. Now, I've been posting YouTube videos on this channel for about a month now at the posting of this video. However, I've had some stock picks before this channel and during this channel as well, and I want to show you guys how my 2020 stock picks are actually doing now. I'm going to show you guys what kind of money I made recently and how much you could have made if you followed the picks in the video. I'm also going to include the mediocre picks so that you get the full picture of what this channel is about. The first one I'm going to talk about is Callaway Golf Company. So, shareholders, we've made huge gains since this $15 per share drop, and there's no reason that the bargain acquisition of Top Golf should have plunged the stock like that. And it was extremely undervalued at this price, and we were right, shareholders. So, huge gains with Callaway. The next one is Kohls. Now, Kohls, I realized it was undervalued. Now, the growth prospects might not have been very good for Kohls, right? But still, they own a lot of real estate. I knew it was undervalued. And so, at 20 bucks a share on October 16, 2020, that Friday, I said, I think Kohls is a good buy. Well, it turns out it had a tiny bit of short-term downside, but the stock has almost doubled since then. The next one I want to talk about, we're going through these really quickly today, is Lordstown Motors. Now, I have talked about this one on the channel before, and this stock clearly has seen some sell-offs recently, right? But I'm still very long-term on it, and if it drops a bit more, which I expect it might, no big deal, I'll buy more. And I'm plus about a cool 50% on the stock. Very happy with this stock. The next one, we have PayPal. This is the thumbnail from the video if you might have seen it. I'm up a cool 20% on PayPal in just this month, okay? I bought it about 1 month ago, and I'm up 20% right now. Still think it's a good, safe growth stock, even if you want to buy it right now. Now, I did release a penny stock video about a week ago, right? And I said in that video, I expect PKKF, the stock in that video, to have a little bit more short-term downside. And especially with the news of the acquisition, I had a feeling that would make it go down. But today, I put in an order at about 80 cents a share, above 80 cents a share, but about that. And immediately, almost immediately, I made about 30% of my money. So we made 30% just today from that order price. I know, I got very lucky with this. I just saw a price that I thought was fair. I decided to set an order, and then it shot up today, right? But congratulations, big wins for you if you are a shareholder in PKKF. The next one, I am a shareholder in Workhorse, which I am up about 40% on. So very happy with these gains, even with these sell-offs. I still bought it about right here. I got pretty lucky, I must admit, buying the dip, but I thought that those were the fair evaluations, and so I made about 40% on Workhorse. The next one I want to talk about is HYLN, right? HYLN. I always need to correct myself. HYLN is the actual way you pronounce it from the company. I always make that mistake. I'm actually down a couple percentage points on HYLN, right? So I bought it in this dip right here. I made about 40%, and now I'm down a few percentage points, but I'm still long term. I've actually added into my position, and I'm long term on it. The next one's Alibaba, which is another stock that I am down a few percentage points. So let me just tell you when I bought it. I bought it right here at this dip. It recovered back to 300 bucks, and then it plunged because China announced new regulatory rules, and it dropped. I knew that's the risk of investing in a Chinese stock, potentially Chinese regulations. I took that risk, and sadly, it didn't pay off about a week after I bought it, which is a bit unfortunate, but I'm still quite long term on Alibaba. Now I want to talk about Target, which was a stock that a while back I expected this and to really take off, and I had a price prediction of about $190. I didn't expect it to happen this fast, but now it's creeping up there to $190 per share. Big gains with Target stock for you guys and me, okay? The next one I want to talk about is American Airlines. This is a stock that I've touched on this channel recently, and it's been growing huge recently, okay? I bought for about 12 bucks a share back in September 21st to be exact, and it's sitting at about a cool 18 bucks a share, okay? So I've made huge gains with American Airlines, and I've also touched upon it on this channel when it was about right here. So I hope this video just gave you a good overview of the growth of my stock picks so far. I wanted to give you an update. I plan to updating you guys from time to time on this channel. So please subscribe, like, leave a comment. What positions are you in? I'm excited to hear about that. And thanks for watching.